Bailey's looking at something. He wants to play with something over here. Let's see what it is. What are you looking at, buddy? Show me. Ah, Bailey, come here. Okay. Get back. Bailey, no. It is... I can't tell. Is it even alive? Can't tell if that's even a bad snake or not. Doesn't look like the Hershey Kiss powder at all. I'm barefoot. And I don't know if it's alive. Oh shit, it's alive. Barely. Come on. Okay. Okay. Got my trusty snake catcher here. Doesn't look like a... Hold on. Actually, left hand. I pick up snakes with my left hand. Anyway. There you go. That's the stick I hit him with. Oh, there, he's still there. I don't know why he does not look poisonous. I mean, I don't think so. Ooh, he's strong. He's strong. Come on, buddy. He's like caught up. You know what? Oh no. Holy shit. He is... I had some netting out here for Corey's volleyball. He's caught up in it. Oh man. Oh no. Is he a... Okay, his tail's just shaking. Jeez, I thought he was a rattler for a second. Can you see that? He's probably just terrified. He is probably terrified. At least the insects are just waiting for him to die. And I feel bad. I tried to tear all this out. And, sorry, dude. I'm trying to get you out of there. We try to save the good snakes. Oh, man. So this is what he's caught up in. You see that? We did it to keep the balls from getting back in here when we had the volleyball net up. Oh man. I know he's, well, I'm not an expert, so when I say he's not a bad snake, I really don't know that for sure. Come on, buddy. I'm just tearing at the plastic right now. Yeah, that's a... Apparently this works to save snakes too, huh? Okay. All right, buddy. You're not looking good at all. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what to do for you, bud. Shoot. I'm just not, I don't know enough to know if that's a bad snake or not. If I could hold his head, if I could pin his head, I would try to get him out of there. Shit. All right. So, in case I die, like I said, I don't think it's poisonous, but I don't know. So I do have I've got some other gloves behind these too, under these. So I'm gonna try and cut him out. And we'll see what happens. Pausing. All right, let's see where we're coming along. There's a lot. I've got most of it off. Now I'm getting to the really hard part. He's been pretty good with letting me touch him though. If I can do this, I'm grabbing him here, or even grabbing his tail right now. You know, he's kind of knows, almost like he knows what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try and get the last part here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Oh, I think I got him free. He's completely free. That's like my good deed of the day. As long as no one tells me this is gonna kill my dog later. see if he's okay. I mean, he's probably pretty surprised. I honestly think he's been there for days. Rick, like maybe a couple weeks if that's possible, because my dog keeps coming over here, or our dog, my daughter's dog, keeps coming over. He's just not sure what he wants to do. I wouldn't go that way, dude. Actually, I'm gonna move him. I'm gonna move him because this is just, I don't think I've got all that stuff away. I don't want to hurt you, buddy. So if anybody can tell me, sorry about the video, what kind of snake this is, appreciate it. Next time I see it, I'll know for sure. But he's got to go over here. Oh, he's looking at me. You're welcome. You're welcome. So what do we think? I'm gonna go 3 feet at least, maybe 4. The gate, and so he's pretty good size. Right. Let's get a picture of him. There you go. They get your mouth. Do it again. Cheese. There we go. All right, there we go. Body's just hanging there. We're down by the water. We get some animals. Eat some frogs. Maybe some fish. Ah, the ducks on my dock. Maybe that. See, they're out there. Got my dock. Ooh, look at all of them. I'm bringing in the snakes for damn sure. See if they like snakes. Oh yeah, because they don't really run until I get really close. They don't care about my fake snakes I put out here. Huh? Huh? There you go, buddy. You live? My little mascot. See, there's my fake snake. Matter of fact, I didn't put that there. I think the ducks did. What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Oh, yeah, I got you a little interested. There you go. There you go. There you go. You're okay now. Freedom. There it goes. Silly dog. Silly dog.